I'm Graham Henderson, the East Coast sales manager with Zero Egg. We're here in New York City at the Chelsea location of Grey Dog, one of 5 in Manhattan, all of which features Zero Egg on their breakfast and all-day menus.
Hello, welcome to Grey Dog.
Grey Dog first featured Zero Egg on their menus in February of 2022 as a verbal special that they offered at tables. And through the success of that, they branded us on the menu with 2 items, the vegan breakfast burrito and the vegan scramble, starting in March of 2022. Since adding Zero Egg to the menu, vegetarian business has grown from 10 to 25% of overall breakfast sales at Grey Dog. Grey Dog's Zero Egg breakfast burrito accounts for 16% of their overall breakfast sales. In fact, now the number 3 best-selling menu item. The Zero Egg scramble also makes up 5% of Grey Dog's total breakfast sales. Zero Egg dishes make up 21% of the total breakfast sales across Grey Dog's 5 locations. The impact of Zero Egg at Grey Dog is undeniable.